Good morning. So, this is the day after Christmas, and we're on our way to take Bill Dog to get his bath for our travel. We're going to be going to the Suwanee Music Park, and we're going to be staying there for 3 days or 2 days, and we're going to have a good time there, celebrating New Year's at Suwanee. There's about 700 or 800 RV spaces there, and there was only 3 left when we booked, so that promises to be a very exciting full day, full trip. So let's come on along. We'll go wash Bill Dog, and we'll take some pictures, and you can see Bill Dog get his bath. So let's go. Here we go. Looking a little overcast today, so I don't know how that's going to work out. I haven't seen the weather for where we're going. The Suwanee Music Park is off of I-75 near Stephen J. Foster campground, a little bit to the south, I believe. But if you'd like to join us, you might call up there. They might have some last minute cancellations. They're really good about that. But more on that later. Anyway, back to our travel to the dog bath place, Sparkle and Shine. Okay, so here we are at Sparkle and Shine, and we're gonna get Bill his bath and get him ready to go traveling. So let's go in and give Bill a bath. See? You ready for your bath? As you can see, the dogs all seem to love coming here. Even the little ones and the big ones. What's your name, huh? You like your bath, Ruma? Hello, hello. Oh, Bill, are you ready for your bath, Bill? Yeah, Bill, you ready for your bath? Slower. He doesn't even have to wait, huh? What's your name?
That's Brady.
Brady. Look, Bill, here's Brady. Bill says, okay, Bill, let's go, bud. Thank you. Have a happy New Year. Okay, so we have Stinky Dog here. Stinky Dog here, who has got his bath ready to go. Are you ready to go travel, Bill? Okay, so we're all done with Sparkle and Shine, and we're headed back to the house. So anyway, we hope you'll join us down at the Suwanee River Music Park for the 2020 New Year, bringing it in. So I'm going to close this out right here, and hope we'll see you down there. Hope you enjoyed Bill's bath. We'll be at Space 59 if you come down there, or you're already looking to come on down there. So call up, see if they got a place, and maybe we'll see you down there. Thanks for watching.